Alright, so today we're going to be taking off the caliper bracket, and rotor. First we're going to start with center cap, and you're going to need a 22mm 1/2" impact or breaker bar. Got both. 18mm for the caliper bracket. T55 for the caliper, and that'll be for the slide pins. And then one of those. I got it on number 1. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for the cars, but we'll get it done. Be nice and careful with these. And this is a new center cap, so that's why it looks new. Alright, I'll switch over to our impact. I believe this will only apply to 2,500 or 3/4 ton applications. Alright, get this wheel out the way. Set our lug nuts to the side. And I just did rotors and pads, so I just want to get this bracket off so I can rebuild the pins. So we're going to start with the bracket and take off a whole assembly. Nice little thump. Oh, almost forgot. I have this little pry bar. I want to pry back. On the pad itself. You don't want to do too much. Should be good. I'm not gonna. And an 18 socket with this 1/2" barely fits in between the leaf springs. So you want to get it out just enough to where you can get your ratchet back out. Nice 40-degree day today. Slightly chilly. That's what your caliper bracket bolts look like. And again, those are 18mm. I've already cleaned all this stuff up. Alright, so now it should be loose. And you'll just pull it off like that, and I usually just set her up here. I'll leave the pads in there for now. You'll probably want to put some gloves on. Now we're going to switch to our 3/8 anvil and our T55 Torx. I'm gonna knock these out quickly. Not too quickly. See what I'm doing. And if you want, you can pre-loosen these if you don't have an impact, and then run them out by hand. But the top one will not come out with the leaf string, so you have to take it off as a whole assembly. There's your slide pins. I'm gonna get these cleaned up and re-lubed. And now you can take off your bracket and brake pads. Like I said, I just replaced these and towed a Tahoe home. And there you go. Now you can put on your new stuff or do whatever you need to do.